guys, how are y'all this week? It is Wednesday and I want to throw a video together for y'all real quick. We finally got all of those flowers that we had bought, the metal ones. We finally got all those hung, so I'm going to show you the finished look on that wall, and then the other wall we got it the rest of the way done too. So I'm going to show you that. I got that wagon for the church painted, so I'm going to show you pictures of that wagon. And I think that's about all I've got for you today. So this video is going to be short and sweet, but that's fine. I was kind of waiting for the sun to come out where it wasn't so gloomy looking outside before I did a video, but I don't know if I'm going to have time the rest of the week, so I'm going to go ahead and get that video going for you guys. So hold on a second and I will get this camera off of here and we'll take off outside. Okay guys, you can see my alligators. I got them hidden under there. They're sitting on the table. I haven't opened the umbrella yet, but to show you, got the flowers hung, and I put 3 on that side. I don't know what I've got over there on the other side. And then I've kept the towels up there, and then I've got 2 on the other side. But this is what it looks like. Let me back up, kind of give you a view. I like the way it looks. I've left my towels up there, so they probably got some rain on them, but that's how it looks. I'm really happy with the outcome of it. With this wall being so long, I had to kind of put different things on it to kind of fill it up. So that's what that looks like. And then my umbrella there with the alligators or crocodiles, I don't know the difference, up under there. And now we're going to walk over here to this other wall. And that's what that wall looks like. I thought it turned out pretty cute. My grass is starting to come in. It's looking better. Still see some patches of the dark, but it looks better than when I showed you last week. You see how gloomy it is today? It's kind of cloudy. I think we have more rain coming this afternoon. Show you what this looks like over here. My husband's been power washing, so you see his stuff over here. And I'm really happy with the way it's turned out over here. Let me get on the other side of the pool and I'll show you a view from it. Okay, this is what it looks like over here. See the smoker, it's going to move eventually. And that table's going to move over here to this side. That's what it looks like. And the little cleaner thing is going down there in the pool. You hear the water running over there. I'd like to see if I can find some pictures of what it looked like before we put the pool in. I might dig and see if I can find some. That's what it looks like. Okay, so I told you there wasn't much to it. I had already showed you the rest of it, so that was pretty short and sweet. I'm going to attach some of the pictures of the wagon at the end of this video and show you how it turned out. And I looked at my pictures and I found a couple of pictures while the pool was being put in, so I may attach some of those just so you can kind of see what it looked like. I was wanting to show you what it looked like without the pool even started, but I can't find one. My husband may have one, I don't know. But that's all I've got for you. That's it, short and sweet. Next week, I believe I'm going to be doing my tour, so I will get everything cleaned up around here and start trying to get my video going on my summer tour. So that is what I've got coming up. Other than that, I don't know. So I hope y'all have had a great week. I've had a good week. It's been busy, but I see it fixing to start kind of slowing down a little bit. But it's still blowing and going right now. But y'all have a great week, and I will see y'all sometime next week. But y'all have a very blessed week, and y'all stay safe. Bye-bye.